We're looking for restaurants and stuff within nature.
Mostly for restaurants.
Yeah, businesses. Everything else is
Yeah.
rough.
Yeah, and I'll see if it says anything.
Yeah.
Well, not as full as I thought it would be. I thought it would be more full. That house was up there.
Yeah.
How do you get rid of it?
Very hard to carry out materials to build up houses. Cost much.
Well, I meant in the photograph. I got the moonrise last night. Big. Did you do that photo at the beach last night?
That moon.
I
That
got
moon was
it.
very, beautiful.
Did you get a photo of it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's
dawn.
huge.
Yeah.
And then the rippling ocean.
But you know, to express that hugeness is so difficult. So when I see the moon, actually, that was so beautiful and brilliant and magnificent. But in my camera, that was not so beautiful and magnificent.
Oh, mine came out really
That too
good.
bad.
I'll show you. Mine came out really good. Oh, can't see it now. It's too bright.
Yeah.
But last night it was really good.
Yeah.
I'll show you. Oh, I can't. Oh, there.
Oh.
See it?
That good.
Yeah. But it was brighter last night.
Yeah.
Can you see the waves?
But you know, the sunlight is too strong now,
Yeah.
so we cannot see the real.
But I got a few good shots. Gorgeous. I was surprised.
Yeah, me too.
Usually you can't take. The moon looks like